Hello guys, welcome to Daily Chess Puzzle with Arena FIDE Master Sir Parts. Today's puzzle is made in 3. Only few can solve these puzzles. I hope you can solve it. Here is it guys, our puzzle. Today is February 24, 2026. And there's only one forcing line. If you miss the first move, the attack collapses. Before the solution, comment your move now. Don't cheat. And I hope you can solve this one, guys. This is made in 3. Please try also to connect with other chess players from all over the world before we could give you the solution. And yeah, I hope you enjoy our chess puzzles. And wait till the end and click the next video for another puzzle. So I'm gonna give you some time to solve this one before we could give our solution. So thank you for watching guys. I hope you can connect with other chess players from around the world. You can see these daily chess puzzles every day at around 8 p.m. in the Philippine time. I hope you like. I hope you want to make some friends here in Sir Parts online. So here in this puzzle, the black is quite advanced in development compared to white, and so the black can now punish late development of the white pieces. And there are already 3 pieces working together there: the queen, the bishop, and the knight. So that's our tip for you. And by the way, I am Arena FIDE Master Sir Parts, and I'm from the Philippines. And shout out to all our chess players here in the Philippines, and also to our subscribers here. Thank you very much for your usual support in Sir Parts. So please feel free to connect. Please tell me what country are you in, and yeah, maybe we could become friends and do some little business in Sir Parts. By the way, I am also having some contents of daily life and also talks and about business. I am currently having this opportunity of selling barley products all around the world, and I am proud to share this to our friends, our chess player friends. Okay, so I want you to connect. We still have 4 minutes to connect with each other. How old are you when you start playing chess? Me, I started at around, I'm a little child, around 13 or 14 years old. My first sports, competitive sports in elementary is Sipak Takraw here in Philippines. And when I'm in high school, I played the Sipak Takraw na second year level. And on my third year, I was invited by my coach, the late Sir Novero. And that's why I keep on playing chess during college, and while also I'm working. I've been a chess coach, and right now I am an Arena FIDE Master here in chessarena.com. So I always play in chessarena.com. I spend some time many more time practicing chess. And these puzzles came from the chessarena.com too. And right now, I just had a balance of not playing anymore there because I still have less have time. But I made sure I could also visit some of the chess puzzles and also the improving different tactics. Maybe I could just play just a little game every day, and that would be okay. So thank you very much for watching, and we still have many more time to go. We still have around 3 minutes before we could end our chess puzzle, and it's already February 24th, 2026. What's your goal in life? If you want to become a chess grandmaster, that would be a very good goal. Me right now, it's I really want, since I'm busy with the business I'm working with, and maybe I could still have the goal of the Arena Grandmaster. Right now, I am an Arena FIDE Master, and the next level is Arena International Master and the Arena Grandmaster. Okay, so maybe we could have also our play. We could play sometime. Okay, so thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank you for your time, for being here, and it's really a good opportunity for us to connect with each other and help us with our goals in life. Okay. So we could have now our solution. Okay, so for our solution in this puzzle, as you can see, we can make a check here. Since it's covered, it's protected with a king, but there is this bishop here attacking this particular diagonal, and when we are going to check this, because there's a knight here, it cannot be captured, so the only move is to move the king here, and it tries to remove now the defender from its defend from the queen, so we can now capture this one and voila, that is checkmate. So why this happens in this particular game? It happens because the king is not safe. There were 3 coordinated pieces helping each other, and with that the king is mated in 3 moves. So thank you very much everyone for watching this during our video premiere at 8 p.m. for February 24. And if you happen to watch this before that, after that, thank you still, and please put your comments on there, and please share to your families and friends so that they could also join us in this endeavor, our daily puzzle. Thank you very much everyone. God bless you. Always remember, learning is lifetime. Bye everyone.